Picture this scenario. Someone just opens their WhatsApp and they sends a message to your business number, and within few seconds they receive answer of their all queries. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create AI project management assistant for agencies, and we are going to build this AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to answer my customer queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable. And this AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So firstly, in this video we are going to create an AI agent. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to create this AI assistant for your own business, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here I am starting with the AI assistant which I have already created for my project management agency, which can be seen right on the screen. So this is the complete setup which is going to handle all enquiries regarding the project. So before we jump into building this AI assistant step by step, let's quickly switch to WhatsApp and see how this works in real conversation. And once you have seen the live interaction, we will come back here and create this AI assistant step by step by using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's move on to my WhatsApp. And here you can see I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and I'm going to act as a user which is going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here my business number is saved as my test number. So now I'm going to enter a message that is, "Hey, I need help." And I have added this message as the user's first message in the AI assistant. Now you might be thinking, what is this user's first message? So I'm going to answer it while creating our AI assistant. So now let's enter this message, and here my AI assistant will respond to me within few seconds. So here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, "Of course, I am here to help. What do you need assistance with?" So here you can see that my AI assistant is replying to me. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter a message that is, "What services do you provide?" So here I'm going to enter this question, and now my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from the knowledge base which I have created, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So here you can see this is the knowledge base which contains details of my business, and my AI assistant is fetching the data from this knowledge base and provide details to the users or the customers. So here you can see as my AI assistant has responded to me with the services provided by my business. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, "What are the project onboarding requirements?" So now let's enter this message, and now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant, which is going to respond me within few seconds. And here my AI assistant has responded to me with a message which provides the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question for our AI assistant. So here I'm going to enter this question that is, "What is the project delivery process?" And now we will check whether my AI assistant is responding to me on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with the project delivery process steps. So now let's move on to my knowledge base and check whether my AI assistant is providing me the same data or not. So now you can observe that my AI assistant is providing me the same data which I have entered in my knowledge base. So now you can see that my AI assistant is providing me the accurate data. So you can also create an AI assistant like this, which will automate all conversations with your clients and respond to them even when you are busy. So now let's create this amazing AI assistant. So for that we have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page page of Pabbly where you can see these options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. Isn't it nice? So now before moving on forward towards creating this AI assistant, I'm going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I'm going to simply click over this sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to access Pabbly Chatflow app. And for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow app, you can simply click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page, you can see these are the WhatsApp numbers I have connected to my account. And if you also want to add your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect. And if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn this whole process of adding WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar. And if you want to learn more about these features given on the sidebar, then I have provided the video link in the description given below. Go and learn from those videos. So now let's click over this AI assistant. And as you will click over the AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page where you can see the total number of AI assistant, the active AI assistant and my inactive AI assistant. Now if you want to create your own AI assistant, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button and you will be getting this dialog box where you have to provide the assistant name. So here I'm going to provide my assistant name as Project Management AI. Now let's click over this add AI assistant button, and here we are successfully landed to the AI assistant page where we are on this tab, that is AI instructions tab, and here it is asking me to select the instruction type. So here I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can even select custom prompt over here and you will be getting this prompt instruction. But here I'm going to select my AI agent, and you can even select customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor and many more. But here I'm going to select AI agent and here I'm getting my instructions. So you can modify these instructions according to you. Now further we are getting this AI configuration section, and here on this AI configuration section we are getting this option for selecting the temperature. Now you might be thinking, what is this temperature doing in the AI assistant? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. And now if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most friendly temperature. And now we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use, which is already selected as OpenAI. Now we are getting the option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini. Now we are landed to this API key section where it is asking me to enter the API key. So for getting the API key, you can take the help of this help desk, which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So now let's move on towards the OpenAI API's key page, and here you can see we are getting this option for create new secret key. So here we are getting this dialog box where you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key button and your key will be created. And I have already created my API key, so I will be simply pasting it over here. And now we are going to simply click over this connect button. And here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully. Means we have successfully saved our OpenAI key. Now we are getting this AI assistant settings section from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings such as header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt and fallback message. So if you want to provide header message or the footer message for your AI assistant, you can simply enable it and enter the header or the footer message. And now we are getting this option for entering the stop keyword. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word stop. So for that you simply have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one stop keyword is ready. Now here I am not going to provide any stop keyword, so I will be simply disabling it. Now we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. So the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. So here you can enter the number from 1 to 10, but here I am going to keep it as disable. Now we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can provide it according to you. So now with this we are done with our first tab, that is AI instruction. Now let's move on towards the knowledge source, and here we have to upload the knowledge base. And you have to remember that your file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf. And in .pdf if you have any image, then there's a limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have any image, then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. And for downloading your file in either of these formats, you just have to go to the knowledge base, and here on the file section you will be getting this option for downloads, and on the downloads you will get all the file formats in which you want to download your file. So from here you can download your preferred format. So I have already downloaded my file in .txt format, so I will be simply selecting this choose or drag a file here button, and here we are landed to my download section where I am going to select this knowledge base, that is knowledge base project management agency. So here I'm going to upload it, and here you can see as my file has been uploaded, I am getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully. And here as my file has been uploaded, I am getting this name and vector ID. Now we are done with our knowledge source as well. Now let's configure assistant interface. So on the assistant interface we are getting this first option for the header display heading name. So on the heading name I am going to provide my brand name, that is XYZ agency. So here I am going to type it, and as I am typing you might have observed the changes that this heading name is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot on the right side. So you can also provide heading name according to you, and afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot as a subheading name. And afterwards we are getting this option for entering the initial message. So here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, and this message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. Now let's say I'm going to add one more initial message, that is hello. So for that you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here are another initial message is also ready, and this initial message can also be seen on the preview of your chatbot. But here I'm going to remove this initial message as we can create only 2 initial messages. And now we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled. And here on the footer section you can see this powered by Pabbly label. Now let's disable it and see the changes. And here as I have disabled it, you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of my chatbot. But now I am going to keep it as enable, and now we are getting this option for footer text. So here we are already getting a footer text, but you can provide it according to you. And now we are getting this option for footer link. So here you can provide your own footer link. And at last we are getting this option for users first message, and this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. So now you might have remembered this is the user's first message which I have entered while testing our AI assistant. So here we are already getting a user's first message, that is I need help, but here I am going to convert it as hey, I need help. So with this we are done with our assistant interface also. Now let's move on to our next tab, that is styling, and here we are going to customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So here we are getting our first option for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's select it to dark and see the changes. And here, as I have selected the dark theme mode, you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot. So now let's select light over here, and afterwards we are getting this option for assistant shape. So from here you can select your own assistant shape. Now we are getting some of the properties for which you can change the coloring of your own AI assistant. Now let's say I'm going to change this assistant background color. So now let's select it, and now here I'm going to choose another color, and here you can see as I have selected this another color, the changes can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. So now this shows that you can change the coloring of any properties of your AI assistant. And the next we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. Now we are done with the styling also, and with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it. So for that you have to activate this toggle, and now we have successfully enabled it. And now we have to save our AI assistant. So for that you simply have to click over the save AI assistant button. And here you can see our AI assistant has been saved successfully. And now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button, and you will be getting the script code. So you can paste the script code to your business, and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So now you can see that how easy this is to build an AI assistant and even embed it. Now we are done with the creation of our AI assistant. Now let me show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contacts, for a particular contact list, or for your all chats. So for enabling it for your all contacts or for a particular contact list, let's move on towards the setting where you can see this option of inbox settings. So here you can see as I have selected it, I'm landed to this inbox settings page where you just have to scroll down. And here you can see we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to enable. And from here you have to select the contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And from this section, that is AI assistant, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So now I have shown you the easiest process of enabling your AI assistant for all the contacts. Now if you want to enable this AI assistant for a particular chat, then let's move on towards my inbox with me. So for that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar. And here we are landed to this inbox page where you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And on this particular number, you can see I'm getting this option for choosing AI assistant. So you just have to enable it. And from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I'm going to select this AI assistant which I have recently created, that is Project Management AI. Now let's click over the save button. So with this we have successfully enabled AI assistant for a particular chat. So now you can also create this amazing AI assistant which is going to build within few minutes and automate your conversations with your customers. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants and chatbots like this. And if this video is really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.